Ladies and gentlemen, Odisha is leveraging technology to a great extent and easing the doing business for investors. Some of the unique and first of its kind initiatives are being launched today. We commence with the launching of the online common inspection platform for Odisha. And to do the honors, may I kindly request Dr. Bibek Debroy to kindly launch the same.
For the first time in India, Odisha has implemented the Central Inspection Framework for Industries through an online portal in which synchronized inspections are being carried out by 3 departments: Directorate of Labour, Directorate of Factories and Boilers, and Odisha State Pollution Control Board. This new framework ensures random selection of industries based on their risk profile and alerts the industries to be inspected well in advance through email and SMS. Standard operating procedure for conducting the inspection has been laid down and shared with the industries. The new framework mandates random allocation of inspectors and ensures that no inspector will inspect an industrial unit for 2 consecutive years. All the inspection reports will be uploaded within 48 hours of completion of the inspection. The portal also allows the industries to log into the portal and change their information. To further ensure transparency in the system, the framework ensures that the industry can view the uploaded reports and raise grievances, if any, with the head of the department. These reforms enabled by the digital platform ensure a hassle-free and transparent inspection process.
Think investment. Think Odisha.